Hi, Rippon parents and students. This is Mr. Berquist, your principal. I'm checking in with you on this open house day just to let you know a few things about the upcoming school year. First, man, what a challenge we've gone through since last March. It's just been crazy for all of us, and I sympathize and empathize with all you parents. I have 4 kids at home that have been trying to do work around the table with limited technology and access myself, so I get it. I wanted to say a few things going forward. We have some good instruction prepared for your students. We're going to be using Zoom. That's the preferred mode. Zoom will run all of our classes, and using something called Canvas. Now, I sent out an email earlier this week that has links for you to click on to get some Canvas tutorials for parents and for students. But when your students receive their schedules in the next coming weeks, they will be able to go into their courses, and there are some self-tutorials that they can go through, and the teachers will walk them through all of this starting September 8th in their classes. I want to tell you that if you need help for anything, feel free to call the school. I plan on being available with some parent Zoom meetings coming up soon by grade level in the next few weeks. I also need to let you know that if there are technology issues, to call us also. By the time you see this video, hopefully all students will have a new laptop or a laptop assigned to them to do their work on. So in the meantime, I just want to say thanks. Welcome to the 2020-2021 school year, and you'll be hearing more from me in the coming days. Thank you very much, and enjoy your day.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Tassa. I'm one of the assistant principals, and I'm looking forward to an amazing school year with everybody.
Hi everyone, my name is Ms. Ball. I teach 8th grade physical science, and this is my 6th year at Rippon, and I'm excited this year to be able to show all of the students all of the new tech tools and apps and toys that we've been training on and working on all summer long. I think that in every challenge is an opportunity, and this challenge of learning online is our opportunity to think differently about the way that we teach, make it really fun and engaging.
Hi, I'm Dr. Yule, and I teach 8th grade physical science. This year, I'm looking forward to engaging a new set of students on a whole new platform.
Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Martha Fontaine. I am one of the 8th grade physical science teachers here at Rippon Middle School. I come to you with 22 years of experience from the United States Army, as well as 6 years of teaching. While this year comes with many challenges, my major goal is to continue to keep science engaging as well as exciting. So I look forward to seeing you all very soon.
Hello, I'm Tara Fowles. I am a special education teacher for autism here at Rippon Middle School. I teach grades 6, 7, and 8.
Hello everybody, my name is Mr. William Gay, and I am an 8th grade civics and economics teacher here at Rippon Middle School. I look forward to a great year. I look forward to meeting you all, and even though we may not be together right now, we'll be having a lot of great conversation together, especially with a U.S. presidential election coming up in November. Take care. Look forward to meeting you.
Hi everyone, my name is Ms. Gail. I'm an 8th grade language arts teacher this year. I'm really excited to be a part of the Rippon family and getting to know all of you and working together as a team to get through this really crazy but really exciting year.
Hello Rippon family, my name is Mrs. Graham. I am a special education teacher here at Rippon Middle School. I am looking forward to a rich and vibrant school year in spite of our new normal.
Welcome, Rippon Raiders. I am Miss Gravis. This year I'll be teaching 8th grade ESOL, Language Arts, and Science. I hope to meet you soon. Bienvenidos. Vamos a aprender mucho este año. Ojalá que nos vemos pronto.
My name is Ms. Harris. I teach 8th grade civics and economics. I am very excited to start this school year. Although it's going to be a little bit different, we're still going to have a lot of fun. See you guys later.
Hey there, my name's Dr. Horner. I teach 8th grade civics and economics. I'm looking forward to meeting you virtually, first quarter, and hopefully in person, second quarter. I think we're going to have a great year. Can't wait to see you. Bye-bye.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Keys, and I wanted to welcome you to a new school year, very differently. I teach ESOL levels 1 and 2 for grades 6th, 7th, and 8th, and I am excited about the new years.
Hi, I'm Miss Mankowski, and I teach 7th and 8th grade ESOL Math and Math 7 Extended. I am so excited to meet you and for the fun adventures we're going to have together this year.
Good morning. My name is Mr. Nanetti. I am an 8th grade math teacher. I will be doing Math 8, and for this year, I look forward to all the changes that we have. That also gives us the opportunity to adapt and grow as a school. I look forward to working with you all.
Hey guys, I'm Miss Painter. I'm an 8th grade language arts teacher. One thing that I'm looking forward to this school year is getting to know all of you, even if it's virtually, and just having a successful year. I know it's not exactly how we wanted the year to start off, but I know it's going to be great.
Hello everyone, I'm Jennifer Pickens. I'm the 8th grade language arts teacher, and I'm so excited to have you guys back for a new school year.
Hi, I'm Miss Relliver, the 8th grade special education math teacher. What I am looking forward to most this year is meeting all of you and just navigating this thing we call pre-algebra. Have a great day.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Roth, and I'm a special education teacher here at Rippon, and I am looking forward to seeing everybody real soon, either virtually or in person. Until then, bye.
Hello, my name is Miss Salem, and I teach 8th grade language arts. I am very much looking forward to starting the new school year, and I'm anxious to meet all my new students.
Hi guys, this is Kelly Repke-Centillas, 8th grade physical science teacher. I can't wait to meet you guys. I know things are really tough right now, and we've had our share of issues here at this household. But I'm really excited to meet you guys on September 8th. I know it's going to be virtual for a while, but we'll get through this. We're all trying to put together some exciting lessons for you guys. And I'm hoping to be back in the classroom after first quarter. I'm sure everybody is. And so we can get to do a lot more hands-on experimentation. Take care, guys. Enjoy the rest of your summer. Wear a mask, social distance, be safe and healthy, and enjoy your family and loved ones. Can't wait to see you guys. Peace out.
Hi everyone, I'm Miss Shaw. I teach Math 8 and Algebra, and I'm really looking forward to this coming school year.
Hello, I am Mrs. Smith, and this year I will be teaching 8th grade Geometry and Algebra 1. I am so excited about meeting all of you and engaging with you. I can't wait to start this new school year.
Welcome back, graders. I am Mrs. Tersini. I teach 8th grade language arts, and I'm so excited to get started with you guys this year. It's going to be an interesting year, but I know we're going to have a great time. I hope you guys had a great summer. See you soon.
Hi, my name is John Verzosa. I teach 8th grade civics. I look forward to meeting all of my students this year. It's going to be exciting with the presidential election. We'll have a different format starting out this year, a little bit of a challenge with virtual school, but I think we're all going to figure it out together. And I can't wait to actually meet all of you virtually and then in person shortly in the future.
Hi, welcome to 8th grade math. I'm Miss Wilson. You might see me on your schedule as Woods, but my name is Wilson. This year is going to be very challenging for all of us in many different ways. So it's going to take cooperation from everybody on all sides and doing whatever we have to get done. I look forward to seeing you on September 8th, and we're going to rock and roll this school year. No doubt. Bye.
Hi, my name is Miss Wimbush, and I teach 6th to 8th grade self-contained intellectual disabilities. This year I look forward to adapting and producing a positive, productive, and fun learning environment. Despite the unforeseen changes of the school year, I'm super excited to meet my students, and we're going to have a great year here at Rippon.